Here is a video that I made a few years ago about a house with a wraparound porch. And for those of you looking for more information and details about it, there will be a link in the video comment area to our website where we have broken the house down into smaller sections and go over the wall framing, floor framing, the porch, the roof framing. And since the video didn't get a lot of views, there wasn't a lot of attention, I figured I would go ahead and give it another shot here. I know that the economy isn't doing very well, and a house like this might be out of most people's price range. And I also don't think that the floor plan, especially the upper floor plan, is that functional. But it does provide us with a nice looking house. And of course, the main reason why I drew this house was to provide viewers with a little more information about the roof framing and how some of the walls might intersect with sections of the ceilings. And of course, this roof is not going to be easy to build, but definitely a lot easier when you can see every part and every detail of the building and the roof. However, I don't have any measurements. That would obviously make it even easier. And no, I will not be providing you with measurements for all these materials or structural engineering information. But I would definitely consider it if this video got over 10 billion views. And another thing I like about this house is that both sides of the upper floor framing are practically or exactly identical. I forgot. You can see here where we have a section here that's extending out. This roof right here is the same as this one. And then we have the center here dividing it up. So let's go ahead and start wrapping the video up. Like I said, you want more information, I will have a link in the video description box. Or better yet, you can go to our website and click on the Home Building tab, and there will be a Home Building Project section on that page where you can check out some more houses that I've drawn like this to help people get a better idea of how these homes are built. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.